Will Muslims ever see Jesus too? In this life or in the next life? Your question is not clear. If you mean in this world, those Muslims will see who will witness his descension from the heavens to the earth. Advent. Remember, the word is Advent. Adventism. There is a whole ism in the West. There's a lot of Adventist movements that started in the start of early 20th century. Because of World War and all that, a lot of Christians thought that's the time Jesus is coming. So a lot of Adventist movements came, like Seventh-day Adventists and Jehovah's Witnesses and, even Mormons. They all are Adventist movements. And a lot of them came in that time from Bern district of New York. A lot of them actually are rooted there. So anyways, Muslims believe in Advent of Jesus, but not the way Christians believe. The difference is that we don't call him God. Okay, so therefore we're not saying God is coming and setting up a court and he's going to send people to hell and heaven. No, we believe Jesus Christ is coming in this world and he will be a judge. He will be a ruler. Join Imam al-Mahdi, okay, the righteous Imam, the noble Imam from Prophet Muhammad ﷺ's lineage. And he will be with Muslims hand in hand. He will walk with Muslims. Muslims will see him. Yes, Muslims will see him. Christians will see him, Jews will see him, and they all have to believe in him. Those who don't believe in him, I'm not saying that Jesus who gave his other cheek will be fighting them. Like he said in the Bible, bring me the sword. Bring me swords. Remember that? A sword or swords. Different translations use one sword, two swords, three swords, or swords. Jesus, yes. Muslims will see Jesus in this world also. Of that time when Jesus returns, or comes back, or comes down. And in the next life, of course, if any wish we have, God will grant it, as long as it's not an evil wish. If it's an evil wish, the evil person cannot make it to paradise. So yes, inshallah, we will see Jesus Christ. Inshallah, in this life also, and in the next life too, inshallah. Of course, in the next life, it depends if we make it to paradise. If we make it to Jannah, then we will see him. Otherwise, we may not see him. So I hope we go to paradise, we go to Jannah, and then we will see him, inshallah. Because there are some people, Jesus Christ will say, I don't know you. This is in the Bible. Like the hadith of Prophet ﷺ, he will say, فَسُحْقًا سُحْقًا, get away from me, you wicked people. Prophet will tell some of the Muslims. I hope we're not one of those. None of those. We're not none of those.